Welcome to Wondertales! One quiet morning, the sky turned gray. The wind whispered, "Something's coming today." Then, drip, drop, splash, rain had arrived, and it brought a song. Drip, drop, splash, sang the water on the windows. Plink, plonk, tap, danced the drops on the roof. Little Bunny peeked outside. What's that sound? Squirrel listened. It's like music. Even the trees swayed to the beat. Shh, listen. Drip, drop, splash. Soon the garden joined in. Plip, plop, sang the petals. Thunk, thunk, hummed the hollow log. Ribbit, tap, added the frog. It was a rainy day band, with no instruments at all. The puddles splashed like cymbals. The leaves rustled like maracas. The thunder rumbled like a big drum. Little Bunny hopped in a puddle. Splash! Look, I made a sound too. Tap, tap with paws. Stomp, stomp with feet. Clap, clap with hands. The rain sang all day, soft, then loud, fast, then slow. It was nature's music, and everyone could dance. And when the sky cleared, a rainbow bowed and said, "Bravo, nature's band! Thanks for singing along with Drip, Drop, Splash. Until next time, keep listening, keep dancing, and always find the music in the world around you."